doing a product review again. This time is for a vacuum cleaner. This one. Okay, so you used to think that a vacuum cleaner like this will probably looks like a Dyson, and actually I do have a Dyson. I bought it for like $600 over. This one less than that, I believe $70 something. So I should be unboxing this cordless vacuum cleaner. It's called Mini Helpers. Mini Helpers. It arrived one day after I purchased. So delivery has been fantastic, very good. So I should go and open this up, see how it performs. At least I can just test it out for you. For people who want to buy this, I will share the link below. So it's a color box, not like some shady. Oh shucks! Not like some shady brands that's not. It's not color box. So booklet, instruction manual. I shall read that. Battery safety. Okay. Wow, the packing is quite nice. Look at it, how they pack. Oh, I've never seen like, you know, the way they pack. Are you sure this is something $70 something? Look at the color. Oh, this looks like a Dyson. If this were to be sold at $70 something, and I bought Dyson for $600, $700, then how much Dyson make? Oh, super rich on Dyson. So different head attachment. So I shall open this up, and you can see this clearly one by one, because now it's a bit confusing, a lot of plastic bag. I should put all the plastic back. Okay. This is probably the suction storage, where all you keep all the dust. So this is here, and this is the like macam gun attachment like that. So many attachment. Okay, this is for the handle. This is for the other attachment. So this one even looks like Dyson. So supposed to roll and vacuum and pick up fine dust particles. That looks pretty neat. The plastic also looks quite strong, and not those thin plastic or very thin layered plastic. So it looks pretty solid overall. I certainly wouldn't think that I will receive something like that for $70 something. Very impressive so far. This one is another attachment. So this one is for the fur or sofa attachment. the standard attachment. So this is for the wall mount, which I probably will need. I need the wall mount holder. So they give you probably have to mount it on the wall, and this thing they give you 2 nails and 2 wall plug, 2 double side tape, don't know for what, maybe for this side, up and down. Okay, that's for the holder. This is the most important thing of them all, the battery pack. It says 2200 milliamp. That's pretty heavy for 2200, but because it is for a 22.2 volt output, so you can see that the battery has all the cert like CE and some safety mark here. I'm not sure it is for Singapore. So that's for the battery pack. And the last attachment is for the tight corner area, the sharp nose attachment. This is something I always use. So first of all, I don't think I need to read much to understand which attachment goes to which. This one certainly will go here. I guess this one certainly will go here. So how it goes in, I no need read instruction. Maybe I can figure out. It should be like that. Ta! That's step 1 for you. So you just have to slot it in. There's not much to do. So once you slot it in, I believe the next thing to do will be the battery pack. The battery pack should be put on here, plus and minus. Okay. I really don't know where the battery pack should be put. I thought it should be here. No, it's here. Wow. Okay, here, battery pack. That. Ta-da! Wow! It's pretty neat, huh? Oh, it's on already. So I press one time, not very loud. I'm not sure whether to be fair, I'm not sure whether I fully charged the battery, so it's not fair to say that whether the suction is strong enough. But so far I can try to suck something. Suck something. Okay, this one. Attach this one. And press. Paper clip. Wow. Nothing much. Maybe increase. I give it to the max power and I couldn't pick up the paper clip. Maybe I didn't charge it properly. Maybe I should change a different suction head. Maybe. So again, let me see whether I can pick this paper clip up pick up is inside. So press the button, the clip is here. So so far everything is working fine. The power question mark. The paper clip can be sucked in, but it's just not really what I think this is. My understanding is this is something similar to Dyson, but what I'm getting is something looks like Dyson but doesn't work like Dyson. So for people who buy this, right, please know that you will probably get something that looks like Dyson but don't work like Dyson. So looks good, package is neatly done, design, fantastic design. I'm not just sure about what it can pick up, probably dust, but other than that, I don't think it can do much in terms of what it can pick up. But just dust and normal chores, dust only. Paper clips also a bit difficult. Don't say bigger things, right? So if I didn't do this product any good by just testing it now, maybe I should charge it later. If let's say after I charge it, I test it, it's the same, then I probably will not load another review. If let's say I think that I didn't do this product justice, then I will load another one and verify that this is maybe better. So people who bought Mini Helper S10 Max, this is what you'll be getting, but this is what you're getting. So it looks pretty, the package, everything looks fantastic. I will just charge it full and you wait. If I say I don't upload another video, that means this is probably what this product can do. That's it. Okay, so that's the end of the review for unboxing for a Mini Helper S10 Max vacuum cleaner, cordless. So thank you for watching.